Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below and we will answer you as soon as we can. Welcome to this IGCSE Mathematics revision lesson. In this video, we're going to learn how to solve simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations are two or more equations that must be true at the same time. Our goal is to find values for the unknowns that satisfy both equations. We'll start with a simple example and then look at a slightly more challenging question. Let's get started. With a normal linear equation, we might have one unknown. For example, x equals 5. But simultaneous equations usually contain two unknowns, such as x and y. We need to find values for both x and y that make both equations correct. Let's solve our example. X plus y equals 10. And x minus y equals 2. There are several methods we can use. One of the easiest methods to understand is called the elimination method. The idea is simple. We combine the equations in a way that eliminates one of the unknowns. Look carefully at the y terms. We have positive y in the first equation and negative y in the second. If we add the two equations together, positive y and negative y cancel each other out. That leaves 2x equals 12. Now we have a simple linear equation. 2x equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. So, x equals 6. We found our first unknown. But we're not finished yet. We still need to find y. Now substitute x equals 6 into either original equation. Let's use x plus y equals 10. Replace x with 6. So we have 6 plus y equals 10. Subtract 6 from both sides. And we get y equals 4. So our final answer is x equals 6. And y equals 4. It's always a good idea to check your answer. Put x equals 6 and y equals 4 into the first equation. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Correct. Now check the second equation. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Correct again. Therefore, our solution is definitely x equals 6 and y equals 4. So why does this method work? We're deliberately combining the equations so that one unknown disappears. In our example, positive y plus negative y equals 0. Once y disappears, we are left with an ordinary equation containing only x. After finding x, we substitute it back to find y. That's the basic strategy behind elimination. Let's try another example. Suppose we have 2x plus y equals 11. And x plus y equals 7. Again, notice that both equations contain positive y. This time, instead of adding the equations, we can subtract one equation from the other. Subtract the second equation from the first. The y terms cancel. 2x minus x gives x. And 11 minus 7 gives 4. So, x equals 4. Now substitute x equals 4 into the second equation. 4 plus y equals 7. Subtract 4. And we get y equals 3. So the solution is x equals 4 and y equals 3. There are several common mistakes to watch out for. First, make sure you choose the correct operation to eliminate a variable. Second, be especially careful with negative signs. Third, remember that you need to find both unknowns. And finally, check your answers in both original equations whenever possible. Here's a simple strategy to remember in the exam. First, write the equations clearly one underneath the other. Next, look for a variable that can be eliminated. Add or subtract the equations. Solve for the remaining variable. Then substitute your answer back into one of the original equations. Finally, check both equations. Let's recap. Simultaneous equations involve two or more equations that must be true at the same time. Use addition or subtraction to eliminate one variable. Solve for the remaining variable. Then substitute that value back into an original equation to find the second variable. Finally, check your answers. For our original example, x plus y equals 10. X minus y equals 2. The solution is x equals 6. And y equals 4. And that's simultaneous equations. Once you understand the elimination and substitution process, these questions become much more manageable. Thanks for watching this IGCSE Mathematics revision lesson. If you found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and continue with the next lesson in the series. Good luck with your revision, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.